Welcome to madecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
Marjorie Faustino Coral, Philippine.
How old are you?
It's 36 years old.
Are you single or married?
Widow.
Do you have children?
Yes, two kids. All two boys, mom.
Two boys. Where are they now?
Yes. They are in the Philippines. They are 117 and they are 119.
Okay, so what position are you applying for? What position are you applying for?
Cleaner, mom.
Cleaner. Okay, because you have to go back to Philippines, right?
Yeah.
And you'd like to come back here in UAE again to work as a cleaner. Okay, when would you be
Yes.
able to start working?
Hello.
When would you be able to start working?
Hello, mom. Hello.
Yes, when would you be
Hello.
able to start working?
Mom, not clear. Not heard you. Hello.
Okay, when would you be able to start working?
After my vacation, mom. Oh, after 1 month, it's okay.
After a month, when would that be? End of January or first week of February? When?
Oh, first week of the February, mom.
First week of February. Okay, do you have relatives
Yeah.
here in UAE? Relatives?
Yes, only sister.
Only sister. Okay, please describe your present job. What are your duties and responsibilities?
As of now, I was taking care of three kids. They are just shower for them and preparing for the school. And I'm waiting for them from the school, and I'm giving them for the food. Taking a shower after the school. Um, then I'm attending. Then we are in the house.
So, you're working as a nanny.
Yeah,
Okay, how many children are under your care?
as three, mom.
Three children. How old are they?
7 and 6 years old.
7 and 6 years old. Three.
Yeah.
So, you have twins? You're looking after twins?
Twins and one the younger one, 6 years old.
Okay. So, if you're going to work as a cleaner, describe how are you going to clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first? Which part of the house are you going to clean first?
What? Hello.
Yes,
Hello.
if you're going to work as a cleaner, you
Mm-hmm.
will be assigned to clean, for example, a villa. Describe how are you going to clean the living room, the kitchen, the bedroom, the toilet, and which part of the house are you going to clean first?
Um, the living room, mom.
Okay, how are you going to clean the living room?
I first I clean it. I take the machine. If I have the machine, I will make vacuum for them. Then I will mop. Then I will dust the first I'm going to make dust the table. Then I will remove this one, the chair, if there is something under the chair or the table when I'm making the vacuum. And then after my making the machine, I will mop if they need to mop. If the floor there is no carpet. Then after they wake up, if need to clean the bedroom, I will go them to clean. I will go there to clean.
Okay.
And then next, the bathroom if they are finished to shower.
Okay. So, what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I'm going to ask first if who is there outside, and I'm not going out right away open the door. I ask them
Mm-hmm.
what they need.
Okay.
And then if I don't know them, I will call the employer first to ask what they need of the man outside.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
Yeah, a little bit, mom.
Okay. What kind of foods you can prepare?
Uh, so- um,
Mm-hmm.
the chicken saluna. What is this?
Okay. So, do you know how to follow instruction in cookbooks?
Yeah, I know it. If I there is the recipe.
Okay. So, how much is your minimum expected salary?
1,500.
Okay. So, describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Um,
Okay. What qualities do you have?
yes,
You
I'm
had.
Marjorie for.
Mm-hmm. Go on.
Uh, 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 yes, this is Marjorie Coral. I'm looking the employer that they need for the house clean, and I'm willing to follow what the instruction that they give me, and I follow them. Then and if they need to cook, but especially I don't I don't want to cook, and if they want to cook to follow their instruction, I will follow, and then what they want to tell for me, I need to follow them.
Okay. Okay, so please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you, Marjorie from HCV.com. Thank